designers and developers, welcome back to my channel Devign. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe right away. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram to join the journey. Now, let's begin. In the previous video, we laid the UX foundation. We determined our problem, figured out the solution, did some research and made 2 to 3 personas which will help in every decision of our UX journey from now. And in Backend, we strengthened the backbone of Taskora by setting the folder structure, connecting it to DB and testing the dummy route. We will be get going with the further parts in this video. So why wasting time? Let's go.
In the previous video, we got our personas done. But what are they? Let me take a moment to explain what personas are. Personas are the fictional characters that resemble our targeted users. Personas typically include name, age, occupation, goals, motivation, frustration, and code. Personas help you make better design decisions and also keep your product focused on real users. Now that we know who our users are, it's time to understand them a little deeper. What they think, feel, and do. Here where the empathy maps come in. Empathy maps are a UX tool used to understand your users deeply, how they think, feel, act, and speak. Empathy maps help you see your app through users' eyes, so you design features with a human touch, not just a functionality. Before designing Taskora, I explored few popular task management tools like Todoist, Notion Tasks, and TickTick to understand what's already running in the market. What I observed is most of the existing apps offer great functionality, but they often end up being too formal or too cluttered for everyday use. Students, creators, and freelancers want something that feels light, fast, and a little more personal. And this little analysis helped me hit Taskora's sweet spot.
Okay. Designer mode off, developer brain on. Hurry up, VS Code is waiting for us. Let's go.
If I had to explain the backend in a way that even my dadi would get it, I would say it's exactly like 5 elements of nature. Yup, it's Panchatattva, but make it developer edition. First comes schema, the earth. Everything begins here. Just like earth holds life together, a schema holds the structure of our data. It decides what grows where, name, email, task, status. It's the foundation of the entire backend ecosystem. Then comes model, the water. Water gives movement and life. That's what a model does. It gives schema the ability to flow through the app. Without it, your schema is just a dry land, and with it, your data moves freely. Third one is controller, the fire. This is where the real action happens. Create, read, update, and delete. File gives the energy. It's what makes your backend do things. Now is the time for routes, the air. Air connects everything. Just like air travels freely, routes carry a request from outside world to the right controller and send back the response. They are the invisible bridge that keeps everything breathing. Middlewares. Middleware is like the universe in between. It doesn't carry or create, but it shapes the experience. It decides who gets to pass, who gets filtered, and how smoothly everything flows. So yeah, schema, model, controller, routes, and middlewares. They are not just code, they are the 5 elements of a backend universe. And once you balance them right, your API literally comes alive.
And that's the end for today. I'm going to have a cup of chai and chill a bit. I think you should too. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.